Hello and welcome to this week's video at the Plant Temple. Unfortunately, I haven't had a lot of time to make videos because of recent travel, but I did want to share with you something extra special that we picked up this week. This beautiful plant here is called a bougainvillea. It is a mixture of several different colors of bougainvillea, and it also happens to be my grandmother's favorite plant. I grew up with one of these in my grandmother's yard, and that particular bougainvillea grew to be something like 25 feet in the air, wrapping around a tree, and its vines got to be about that thick. This particular plant is special to me because recently my grandmother passed, and I went to a local plant store and we happened to find this plant and it stood out to me, and I thought, man, what a great plant to have as a memory for my grandmother. My grandmother loved to see multiple colors of bougainvillea wrapped together, so when we saw this in the store, we had to get it. I decided to put the plant under my pergola where I could see it from where I work. That way it would add a lot of color to a very green space, and it reminds me of my grandmother when I decide to look at my garden. The loss of a loved one can be challenging, but life keeps going. Having a plant to honor our loved one can help us through the grief process and remind us to remember them with a smile.